బలమైన ఆర్థిక వ్యవస్థ కోసం సమర్థ నాయకత్వానికి తోడు నైపుణ్యం అవసరమని ముఖ్యమంత్రి చంద్రబాబు అన్నారు. తిరుపతి ఎస్వి విశ్వవిద్యాలయంలో జరిగిన భారత ఆర్థిక సంఘం 99వ వార్షిక సమావేశాల్లో ఆయన పాల్గొన్నారు. ప్రస్తుతం సాంకేతిక వ్యవస్థ నడుస్తుందన్న ఆయన సమస్యను ముందుగానే అంచనా వేసి పరిష్కారంలో వినూత్నంగా ఆలోచించినప్పుడే విజయం సాధ్యమవుతుందని తెలిపారు. వినూత్న ప్రయోగాలతో ఎస్వియు దూసుకు వెళుతుందని విశ్వవిద్యాలయ యాజమాన్యాన్ని అభినందించారు.
Nowhere in the world, first time, we are able to control population. That is nowhere in the world we have done within 10 years' time. Now this tenure, I am seeing population today. Our population is diminishing now. I have promoted at that time. Now I am asking people to go more and more children today. This is another scenario. Or otherwise, Japan may repeat in Andhra Pradesh. This, you cannot change overnight population. You have to plan ahead of times. You have to rationalize all these things. Second is today, we are in advantageous position, I am telling you. Our advantage is technology with Internet of Things. You have seen now biometrics, Wi-Fi, and also if you can go further, everywhere surveillance cameras, even drones, even machine learning, robotics, even real time in Andhra Pradesh, if you see, nobody can imagine how it is working, one idea. We had a cyclone in Visakhapatnam, Hudhud cyclone. It was devastated, very badly it affected. Then we want to revive, we have revived. Then we got an idea how to go for lights. We want to go for LED bulbs. With this 40% saving and 60% we have done. Then we have gone further by putting sensors. In Andhra Pradesh, 5,50,000 bulbs are sensors. Off and on I can do from control room, that is central control room. Even I can regulate, I can fix service standards on the basis of performance. Whenever there is a bulb, how much time it has taken for replacement, either burnt or otherwise some service standards we are fixing now. Now you see, even my village, before my house, I can see from Amravati, that bulb is on or off. That is the technology available today. That is how we are moving in that direction. I can run drones, even for pesticides, how to use pesticides also I can do. Why I am saying all these things? It is very, very inspiring time. If you use all these things, there is a lot of advantage. One example I am giving you. We have grown this year, instead of 27% less rainfall, agriculture growth rate is 24.5%. Whereas all India, they are having good rains, their growth rate is only 3.2%. Why I am saying all these things? Again and again, it is the leadership, either individuals or companies or states or organizations, that is important. So what I want to emphasize here, to have good economy, skill is very, very important. Capacity also very, very important. Now I want to request all of you. I am very happy. Just now I spoke to President just now. I am also an economic student. I want to associate this association more and more with you and make it more and more practical.